Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these super easy and delicious tropical granola bars. This recipe is just another flavor for my original granola bar recipe, and it's filled with chunks of dried mango and coconut. These granola bars are much healthier than any store-bought version, so let's get started. Spread out the oats on a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper. Using parchment paper will make it super easy to transfer into a bowl later on. Now I'm going to add in some roughly chopped almonds as well. Give this a mix, and now we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Take it out from the oven, give it a mix, and now we're going to bake it for another 5 minutes until the oats are nice and toasty. Once that's done, just set it aside to cool down. Next, in a small saucepan, combine together unsalted butter, brown sugar, some salt, and vanilla extract along with some honey. You can also use any other liquid sweetener in place of the honey, such as maple syrup or agave. Melt this on high heat while stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now we're going to let this simmer for a minute or two and then set aside to cool down as well. While it's cooling down, transfer your toasted oats into a large bowl and then add in the slightly cooled butter mixture. You don't want this mixture to be too hot, or else the chocolate chips that we're going to add in later will melt. The written recipe is available in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. This is the base of the granola bar recipe. Into this, we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of dried coconut. I'm using chunks, you can also use shredded, some dried or candied mangoes, and some white chocolate chips. We're going to give this a mix, and the granola bar is ready to be set. If some of the white chocolate does melt, that's totally okay. It will work as a glue to hold the granola bar together. Now I'm going to put this into a 10 by 10 square baking pan that's lined with parchment paper and spread it out using a spatula and press down tightly. Next, I'm using a small bowl to press down to make sure everything is nice and packed. We're going to refrigerate for 2 hours or freeze for 30 minutes, and then you can cut them up however you like. As the last and optional step, drizzle on some more melted white chocolate. All of my recipes, as well as this one, is available on our website, thefoodflamingo.com. And that's it, your tropical granola bars are now ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is perfect for breakfast to kickstart the day, or even as a snack throughout the day. It's also perfect for kids' lunch boxes. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. And if you liked the video, leave a like and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.